Yeah, it is about believing that you're the best in what you do, but beyond that, it's about believing in what you do and ensuring that those that you're transacting with understand that you really are confident in whatever it is that you're selling with absolute conviction. I'll give you an example. So back in the late 90s, perhaps it was the turn of the millennium, I was working with Procter & Gamble. And we had come out with a product called Fit. And the idea behind Fit was that you would spray it onto your vegetables and your fruits, and it would clean this produce off. And of course, the number one objection from the buyers was that consumers wouldn't feel very comfortable spraying a chemical, or what was perceived to be a chemical, onto their food. And simply washing it off with water was good enough. Of course, we had done the research, and even after washing it off with water, spraying it, you could see the dirt coming off. Now, what I had done is I had done my homework to understand the formulation of the product, to understand the science behind what was happening and why it was cleaning off the produce better than just washing it underwater. So I actually took the cap off, I drank it right in front of the buyer, and that is when the buyer, with respect, ordered skid loads of the product for his stores across the country. That is believing in whatever it is that you're selling. And so when we sell 3D crystals, when we manufacture 3D crystals, we ensure that whatever it is that we're producing and that we're sending out really represents us. And so we ensure that we are confident and very proud about whatever it is that is shipping out those doors. We ensure that everything that's going out those doors has our signature. It says authentic, it says original, and consumers understand that there is a difference when they're buying from the pioneers, when they're buying from a company that really, really does passionately believe that they're selling the best. Well, there's two sides to every coin, right? So there's that one side where you want to, once you figured something out, you want to hold it close to you, and you want to benefit from it as much as you can. You want to juice it, right? And then there's the other philosophy where you figured something out, but you want to exponentially grow fast, and you want to grow with others. You want to share it with others. And I think that you need to find a happy medium, kind of in between the two. Elon Musk is a great example where he's released his patents and he's encouraging the growth of the electrical vehicle industry, right? So similarly for us, we figured it out. And because we figured it out, we've contributed a lot in terms of 3D softwares, in terms of lasers to the industry. We really want to share what we have learned and together grow the industry of 3D crystals and photo laser engraving as quickly as possible. And to do that, really, I think that the smartest way is to work with others. And that's why we're encouraging. And I also want to say it's not just about encouraging competition. It's really about encouraging collaboration. I always talk about this, right? And when we can introduce, there's so many people that are looking for unique ideas where they can do a business, work for themselves, generate great income. And, when we can offer a solution to people, and we've already seen it work for ourselves, why not? We'll work together. We'll grow our businesses together, and we'll grow the industry as well.
So what advice would you give your competitor?
You mean someone who is like a direct competitor who's going head to head with us?
Exactly.
I would say stop focusing on me. Focus on your business. When you're looking at me, you're distracted, and you're not able to grow your business. You're too worried about what my next step is, and that's not good for your own business. Genuinely, that's what I would say, and that's what I would do myself. Now, yes, it is important to gain competitive intelligence, for sure. You want to understand what's happening in your industry, but if you're going to be chasing, whether it's me or this is great general advice for anyone who's competing, that if you're going to chase your competitor and continuously focus and worry about what it is that they're doing, you're going to be chasing. You're going to be number two, and you're going to be in their dust. Focus on innovating. And that's exactly what we do. And that's the pulse of who we are today.